When we think back over all the stories we read, remember we read The Bicycle in the Sweet Shop, we read The Great Mouse Plot, we read Mr. Coombs, and Miss Cratchit's Revenge, and First Day, okay?
I'm sorry, there are a lot of little conversations happening. They must be ready to take this quiz today.
We can do that.
We have a quiz.
We can do that. Okay, so who are some of the main characters? Some of the main characters in the story that we read. Okay, Clayton.
Who are some of the main characters? Raise your hand. Dahl and his friends.
Okay, we have
I
Dahl.
think in a story called The Dahl Narrative, that's pretty good.
Yeah.
Pretty good.
Okay, Alexia. Miss Pratchett. Melanie.
Mr. Coombs.
Mr. Coombs, good.
Did we decide, is he the headmaster?
He is. So as I was actually looking at this test and realized first day, we talked about the headmaster, completely different headmaster.
That's what I thought. But Mr. Coombs was the one that did the punishment?
Yes.
But he was not the headmaster of the school. He was like the headmaster of their grade, maybe, or something like that.
That might have been it, yeah.
Okay.
I
didn't feel like they ever clearly defined
that's what I'm
what
thinking
he
as well.
was.
Yeah. I just assumed he was headmaster.
Yeah.
So, okay. Victoria? Mom? Okay. Mom was a character. I'm not saying she's a main character, but she is a character that is mentioned, so yes. Okay. Hannah? His friends. Do we remember the name of one of his friends? Thwaites. Thwaites. All right.
Hey, would the mouse be considered a character? Needs more of a detail.
Yeah, I would say that's more of a detail. Yeah, it's a good question though. Okay, so those are our main characters. That's who we really see. Although, the very last story we read, I just thought of one we missed. The very last story we read, First Day. He describes someone. Remember, we're talking about the tuck boxes.
Yeah.
Yeah, and all the things that go into a tuck box and how this person was telling Dahl's mom, yeah, you should send all this stuff. Who was it that was saying that?
Yeah.
The new headmaster. There we go. Okay. What events take place? What events take place? I'm thinking more of like just the grand picture here and not just one big event, but multiple. Noah? Okay, they found the mouse, and what did they do with the mouse? Did you
I
say?
think she's asking you know.
Yeah. Good. They found a dead mouse and put it in a jar of sweets. Gobstoppers to be exact. Very good. That is not right. There we go. All right, what else took place? Bentley.
It took place on Miss Pratchett's Revenge.
Okay, Miss Pratchett's Revenge. What happened in Miss Pratchett's
I'm sorry,
Revenge?
just a second.
Yeah.
Hey, who's speaking?
Who's speaking?
No, I meant actually supposed to be speaking. Maybe I should clarify. Who should we be slanting toward? Right. Let's turn toward the people who are actually supposed to be having the conversation. Then people who are talking are basically talking to the back of your head. No one wants to have a conversation.
Anyways,
Okay. What's happening in Miss Pratchett's Revenge?
Miss Pratchett's Revenge. She almost got scared to death due to the mouse being in the gobstopper jar.
Mm-hmm.
She finds the five, I think, remember?
Okay.
Probably 5 of the Dale's friends, including him and Blake.
Uh-huh.
Then they got went to the whooping.
Okay, they got a whooping.
I heard something like that.
Yeah. There was a punishment for the plot. Do we remember what word described that punishment? What we called it? Do you remember, Isaac? What we called their punishment? Well, we've been saying like a whooping or a beating or a punishment, yeah. But what did? There you go, you got it. The caning, because Mr. Coombs used a cane to punish. Okay.
Was that illegal back in the day? Was that illegal?
Yeah. Jason. They thought Miss Pratchett was dead. That's right.
I have to say, it must be pretty alarming when you think someone's dead.
Yeah.
You walk in the room and they show up.
Well, let's go to our next question. For real. Okay, so in the beginning, okay, how did Dahl feel about the mouse plot? How did he feel about it? Hunter?
He felt like excited and proud of himself.
Okay, so he was proud of himself. He was excited. He called himself something.
Desperados robbing a train on a bank. We're gonna blow a bank.
Alex? He felt like a hero.
Or desperado.
Okay. Jacoby? Felt like a hero. Yeah. Or a desperado even. Yes. Hero or desperado.
Why do you name the desperado?
Hey,
I figured, why do you name the desperado?
It's one of those words that I know, but I'll have to look up a definition to give you a good.
Desperado?
Yeah.
I'm looking it up.
Okay. Yeah, it's one of those that I know, but don't know how to explain.
Classic song.
Yeah. Okay, so after Dahl and his friends see the sweet shop the next morning after the mouse plot, how is Dahl feeling?
Good.
How is he feeling after he sees the sweet shop the next morning?
Um,
Nervous?
Scared.
Frightened? Like a murderer. Okay, and there's a reason that he feels like a murderer. Does anybody remember why he feels like a murderer? I mean, obviously because he thinks he scared her to death, but who gave him that idea? Kaylin? Waits did.
You can always count on weights.
Oh, yeah.
A desperado is a reckless person, a desperate or reckless person, especially a criminal.
Ah.
That kind of changes the whole feel from hero to
Murderer.
Yeah.
yeah. I think he knew what he was doing was shady.
Yeah. Yeah, deep down he knew. Yeah.
He was here for it.
All right, skipping forward to Miss Pratchett's revenge. How did Dahl feel while he was watching Thwaites get caned? Jacoby? Scared. Caitlin, what were you going to say?
I was gonna say it's kind of. I was gonna say terrified.
Terrified. Yeah. Scared. Terrified. Whitney? Ready for it to be over with, maybe? Yeah. Like that terrifying feeling, but also like, please get it done. Yeah.
Dread.
Yeah, dread. I like that. Dread.
I mean, because he's watching his friend and he knows that's what's coming for him.
Yeah. Yeah.
And then when he explains it, he's like, they were just getting warmed up on those other kids.
Yeah, that's right. They were just getting warmed up.
Saved the best for me.
Miss,
Okay, Victoria.
I would say petrified because of
Petrified.
Because if Dr. Miles was hitting me and my friends, I would be petrified.
Petrified is a good word.
Dr. Miles, what are you doing?
Petrified's a good word. Huh? Anxiety. He was anxious. I like that one too. Okay. For the sake of time.
Anxious is a good word.
Yeah. How did he feel about the new headmaster? Think about how he described him. Think about how he described the new headmaster. Yeah, that was the last one where we were talking about tuck boxes. Yeah, we were talking about tuck boxes.
It
Okay. Okay.
Separate so that you don't talk.
Noah? He was kind of,
Explain to him like he was kind of evil.
okay, kind of evil.
Oh wait, that's not what he said. I made that up.
Oh, okay.
Oh, that is what he said.
Okay. So maybe he was a little evil. There was one way that he was described, and I keep hearing somebody say it. Okay, Zach. Scary, tall. Ooh, Miss Williams just said greedy. Victoria, what is it that you've been saying?
Shark.
He described him like a shark that was about to eat all the itty bitty fish.
Oh yeah, I heard it was like he had a smile like a shark about to eat his fish. What is that? What kind of figurative language is that? What is it? Simile, how do I know? Use like, yeah.
Good connection. Simile, absolutely. Okay, so I'm going to ask this, and I'm telling you right now, listen, because these are things that are going to be on the test.
All these things are coming straight from the quiz, you guys.
What is this?
Okay, what is an inference? An inference, think back, an inference. Abigail?
We're looking back at stuff we've already read and comparing what
Okay, something you're inferring what might happen next. Hannah? Okay, so an inference is using what you already knew as well as the information given to you to come to a conclusion.
So Jacoby said that say what you said, Jacoby. It's like an educated
It's similar
guess,
to an educated guess.
because I'm taking information I knew plus the information I just got to come up with some sort of decision.
Right.
Of some sort.
Okay, theme. What is theme? Elijah? Sorry, I got distracted. Say it again. Okay, Henley? The message. Okay.
That's what I was saying. Listen, I'm not going to say people are throwing pencils at each other or anything, but I am going to say there are broken pencil pieces behind my desk.
I've seen some scattered across the room lately.
And I'm pretty sure I know who it is.
Central idea. What is central idea? What is central idea?
I get hit with pencils.
We just took a quiz on this. Tell me, Isaac. Main idea. If I'm talking about contributing to the development of the plot, what do I mean? Please help me. If I'm talking about contributing to the plot, I'm talking about how does this one event add to the story? How does it lead us into what's happening next? Okay, and I know I'm over time, I'm sorry. Okay, and then what does it mean to imply something? If we're implying something, we're kind of giving a general feeling about something to help you understand. The way we're saying it might imply this, okay?